Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 in Rocket League. This premium car was originally released as part of a special car pack. This pack typically included both the standard and a convertible version of the vehicle, along with several exclusive customization items. Understanding its release method is key to knowing how to acquire it now. The primary way to obtain the Corvette ZR1 was through a dedicated car pack. This premium pack was offered for a limited time in Rocket League's in-game item shop. Players could purchase it for approximately 1,100 credits. The pack not only granted the car, but also provided unique decals, wheels, and other accessories to personalize your vehicle. Currently, the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 car pack is not available for direct purchase in the item shop. Licensed premium cars like this one typically have limited release windows and do not frequently return. It's important to note that premium cars cannot be traded between players. While there's always a chance for a future re-release, it is not a guaranteed or common occurrence. Since the Corvette ZR1 is not readily available, consider exploring other fantastic licensed cars that frequently appear in the item shop. Keep an eye on official Rocket League announcements for any potential future re-releases or new car packs. In the meantime, there are many other exciting vehicles and customization options to enjoy. Focus on honing your skills and having fun on the field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.